traditional lead-acid batteries, frequent maintenance, low energy efficiency, short lifespan? Does it really have to stay this way? As an engineer, I know real efficiency starts with smarter power. Proven, safe, and drop-in ready. That's why we spec Lithium. It's quickly becoming the go-to solution for operators across the board. Lead-acid drags its feet. Analog technology packs recharge in a fraction of the time, slashing downtime and lifting throughput. Built around the premium LiFePO4 cells, an analog pack tops 5,000 full cycles and still holds 80% capacity, long after lead acid is tapped out. Analog modules are custom-sized, voltage-matched, and capacity tuned to slot into forklifts, AGVs, and a full mix of industrial gear, ready for high-duty, data-driven operations. A forklift running an analog battery pack can cut operating costs by roughly 40 to 50% over 5 years. Now, let's get hands-on. In just 6 simple steps, the battery swap is complete, no structural modifications needed, and everything's done right on site for maximum efficiency. Every upgrade is more than just a power boost. It's about safety, sustainability, and smarter economics. That's the promise we deliver with every system. This is analog technology.